Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your age on TikTok. So firstly, click on TikTok app. You could see many options like home, friends, inbox, profile icon. So go to the profile icon. And here in your profile, click on three line and click on setting and privacy. Next, search for report a problem. Scroll down until you find report a problem. Here it is, click on it. Next, click on account and profile. Now click on editing profile. Scroll down. As you couldn't see the option for changing the age, click on other. In this interface, scroll down and click on need more help. Now here you should write your problem. Like for now I'm writing my account birthday is incorrect and I would like to change it please. I can provide ID to verify my age and submit. After a few days TikTok will definitely come back to you and solve your problem. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.